How to fix Desktop Defender crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to your library and then open up the properties window of the game by right-clicking the game and go to properties, and then go to installed files and click on verify the integrity of game files and wait for this process to finish. Now, once this is done, you want to go to the General tab and add the following command to launch options, -dx11. Now you can close out of this window and close Steam. Next, you'll need to open up your GPU application. So for NVIDIA GPUs, you'll need to open up NVIDIA app and go to the drivers section. And then make sure to download and install the latest Game Ready driver. You can also try to manually reinstall it if you have it already by clicking the reinstall button. Now, once you're done, you can open up a new browser tab and search for Redist. Click on the first Microsoft link and then scroll down to the second table and click on the 86 version and the 64. You will need to download and install both of these right here. And once you're done installing them, you will need to reboot your system by clicking the restart button. And then before launching Steam again, you should right click on Steam and run it as administrator. And then you can launch the Desktop Defender, and that should fix the crashing issue. Thanks for watching and subscribe.